Oh no, my phone just died.
What do we do now, Daddy? Chocolate is the best. Strawberry is better.
Hey there! You two look lost. Need some help?
Actually, yes. My phone just died.
Here, use this. It should charge up fast.
Thank you so much. Really.
The big fountain!
By the clock tower.
That's not this one. Let's go!
Enjoying the story? Subscribe to Emma Easy English. Turn on the bell icon for more slow English stories.
Whoa! Look at that! Come on, let's see!
You guys check out the toy shop. Lily and I will grab a book.
Sounds good. Let's meet back at the fountain, 20 minutes.
Mom, look! A robot!
Wow, that's so cool.
Dad, can we get this one?
Sure, sweetie. Let's take a look.
Can we buy it, please?
Okay, one toy. Then we go meet Daddy.
Daddy, is your phone okay?
It's almost dead, honey. Let's hurry.
Let's go find Daddy and Lily.
Almost there, sweetie.
Okay, this is the fountain. Do you see Daddy?
No, I don't see him.
This is the fountain.
Maybe they're still coming?
Where's Mom?
Whoa, bubbles! Can I go look?
Stay close to me, okay? We'll watch together.
Oh no, my phone just died.
What do we do now, Daddy?
Did you see that one pop?
I did!
That was a big one.
Hey there! You two look lost. Need some help?
Actually, yes. My phone just died.
Here, use this. It should charge up fast.
Thank you so much. Really. Wait, it's on! Claire texted me.
What does it say?
The big fountain!
By the clock tower.
That's not this one. Let's go!
Thank you again. You're a lifesaver.
Go get your family. Good luck.
There they are!
Ben! Lily! They found us!
I was so worried about you two.
We're okay. We're all okay now.
Next time, bring a charger, mister.
Yeah, lesson learned. Look what I got! Look what I got too!
Ice cream sounds pretty good right now.
Best idea you've had all day.
Wow! Chocolate is the best. Strawberry is better.
One meeting place next time, okay?
Deal. And a full battery.
Okay, everyone ready to head home?
I'm getting sleepy.
Home sweet home.
What a day, huh?
Daddy, can you read this page?
Of course. Let's see.
Sweet dreams, little buddy.
Night, Mommy.